Oh, hell no.
What's that look like?
I don't know, like something really scary that would be coming at me really fast in a movie or something. You know?
I do.
Is he videotaping me?
No.
Yes.
Well, yep, that's definitely something you would see in a fucking scary movie that would be coming at you.
I feel so.
I mean, I would fucking run. My eyes are burning.
Your face is burning.
My ass is burning.
Michael. Hi, what's up, man?
Dude.
What?